Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic QCAD tutorial how to explode object. So as example I will draw rectangle and next I will create a polygon. This. Now if you want to explode this object, you can select the object and then go to modify tools, click at this icon and then click these icons to explode the object. You can click and then you can select the object, so you can see the object will be automatically explode. Okay, you can use these icons to explode the object. Okay, that's it for basic QCAD tutorial how to explode. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.